Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're gonna jump on Panda Road quarantine vlog for Uno. So I'm here. I'm going to head to Ocherias, but I'm with my friends. So we're in somewhere near Bamboo first, and then we'll probably go Finance Bay, and then from there to go Ochi. So that's what is happening for today. That's what's happening for today, and yeah, during these times, you don't want to go on the road unless you have a personal vehicle or a personal taxi. So I only go on the road with my personal taxi or my friend whenever she and her boyfriend are up on the road. So that's what's happening for today. And I'm actually going to Bashko because I want a few stuff. I have this vanity working on, and with the vanity, I need a mirror to go on it. So I'm trying to get a mirror to like kind of fix it up. You know the way there? Yeah. My bro, yes, look, I did one brush up, but oh well. So currently having a drumstick. Say hello. Say hi. Enjoy the ice cream? Enjoying the ice cream?
This one?
Yours.
Yes.
Well, that's not ice cream, that's what? Drumstick? No, that's popsicle. Hello. Bye bye. It's taken. It's a video. Yes.
You only eat some kind of milk.
I know you're Alpha, then it's Alpha, brother. It's Alpha, then it's Alpha.
Okay, your mouth. Where are we there? And in your mouth. Wrap up your finger. Wrap up your mouth. And lean back. You drop like here. Lean back. And still.
Fifth. Huh? I'm gonna go right, bro. cry for?
Huh?
You can't know what your mouth, man. You can't have any mask and have your hand in your mouth. Look at your mask dirty. Eh? You cry?
What's the buzz? What's the buzz?
We are cry for. We are cry for. You find that ugly bumper. We are cry for. Take off your mask when you're in that car. Dry it down. Dry it down off your face. You don't want to dry it down? But you can't have it so dirty in the face, baby.
We can't come back. Come back.
So all the from and you come as soon as you come by slippers. That makes sense?
You must come for once.
Talk to them. Talk to them.
Daddy?
Not daddy. Talk to your video.
Just leave me.
You don't buy nothing to yourself.
We're chilling, eh? So we're chilling. We're chilling. We're chilling. So we chilling. Yeah, we chilling. We're chilling. We're chilling. So we're going to Ochi. We're going to Ochi. We're going to Ochi. And so if you're going to Ochi, make sure you wear a mask. Wear a mask. Yes. No? Stop, don't put the dirty rag in your face. Rag dirty, stop sharing again.
No.
Yeah.
No.
You rag not dirty?
No.
No?
No.
Alright. Go. Guys, currently in Bashko, I got the mirror I tell you guys about. The mask are killing me. This is the first time wearing a mask outside and it's a kill me. Honestly, it's a kill me. But what better can I do? God help you. But Auntie Denise, make too much noise. Eh? When I was trying to barbecue, what is to me? What now barbecue famous bowl? Let me have a barbecue famous bowl. No, just a famous. So now we're in a case. You wanna even hear me? Watcha, this looks like one little vagina. Oh. PG. Oh my god. Now we're in a KFC. Now we're in a KFC and I just got my drink. We got a grey drink and a pink drink. So, yep. I don't normally call it drinks when I come to KFC, but oh well. So guys, this is me inside the KFC bathroom. This is this mask thing business. I don't know how it works with summer uno. Lord God, I don't know how it works with summer uno. But this mask business, it has stressed me out. Guess what? In Jamaica now, them don't want in them place if they don't have no mask. So today, a good thing they give it have an extra mask, else more to get for coming at the people them place. After giving so much trouble, she's knocked us out. The kitchen practice not ready. So guys, reach back home, right? So the best place was to come was outside. Cause my heart, I fling up my ear in the stocking cap thing, yeah. I'm tired. My heart's I'm tired. Anyways, I'm gonna give you a quick bash call and end the little vlog for the day. So to start off right up here, so I did went ahead and purchase this welcome mats. I wanted to put at the front of the doorway. I don't know why I want to put at the front of the door because you know it's not like out of the veranda, but to the section where we have private for ourselves. I was saying that I wanted it to go there. You know, yeah, I'm money I spend by way now. I can't not take me doing them at here. I'm still buy. I think this was 700 and something dollars. I remember I was saying you about the vanity when I did the vanity and the something. I wonder if the mirror here too little. I'm not sure, but I did went ahead and buy. I already have a table. It's only thing to get it in white. The table is already made, so it's only thing to get it in white now. So when I'm getting the table in white, I will go ahead and get a mirror also in white because I don't want the gold. I don't want the gold none at all. So yeah, the mirror was 700 and something though. Yeah, it was 7 something. While checking out, I felt like I needed a Pringles, so I'm gonna go get this Pringles. To add to the vanity, I got these stuff where I can, these organizers where I can put makeup in. So I'm gonna spray paint them in whatever color I think I'm working with on the vanity. So whatever color I decide I'm gonna work with it, that's the color I'm gonna spray paint these in. No, the vanity in a white, so I'm gonna probably spray paint these in silver or gold. I don't know it. I buy shower curtain. I needed an extremely bright bulb for the bathroom, so I got this. Them said this is the brightest one. I don't know. I'm sure you want LED, but I'm sure there's more want LED, but they say LED free, so I don't know. No, I did went ahead and got 3 drinking glass because me I don't have no glass. Okay? So I don't have no glass, so I went ahead and got 3 glass. 3 of this, one was $108, so 3 I did with 20 or something like that. I don't remember all the glass. I did went ahead and got these curtains right here, them thick curtain here, because I want to close up the open concept closer to have. I think it look poor. If you know me, I always look fancy and some things not look good. So I was looking online and I saw some closet where the concept them close with curtains, so I'm gonna try to see if I like it. Hopefully I actually do like it. Yeah. So I did went ahead and got 2 of them. It was by me. I got 2 of them. One piece was 1,100 and something dollars. So the 2 piece was 2,000. Call it $2,500 for the 2 piece. Yeah, that's expensive to be honest, but yeah. The glass. I got 2 pillows. I get 2 pillow cases. This was 200 and something dollars. 200 and something for 2 pillow cases. I got some bathroom cleaners somewhere up on the side of the toilet. This was 100 and something dollars. I did went ahead and got a scale. I never look how much later check it for if I 2,000 something or 1,000 something, because the guy did find one that's cheaper. But I don't remember. But I think it's 1,000 something. I would have to look at the receipt to figure out the price of this digital scale. Let me open it and show. It's yellow. So I did went ahead and got this digital scale because it's my always on scales. I don't remember how much it is. And then I got 4 flower pots because I plant some flowers and I want to transfer them into a pot. And then I got 3 rags. So all in the bag now are the 2 other glass. And that's it. So I'm going to go ahead and sanitize the hell out of these stuff and then put them up and do what I do with them. So yeah. So that is the end of today's vlog. I hope you guys are keeping safe, keeping sanitized. Like today I was really uncomfortable because everywhere I go them say mask is required to go inside. We never left me with the intention to wear mask, but good thing my friend did have one. So yeah, that's it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I love you guys. So until another video,